Friends, written by Hlengiwe Zondi and Zimbili Dlamini, illustrated by Groenewald, published by African Storybook Initiative. My name is Simo. I have 4 friends. Their names are Zizo, Lele, Sisa, and Ayanda. My friend Zizo likes to play soccer. My friend Lele likes to swim. My friend Sisa likes to play hide and seek. My friend Ayanda likes to read. Me, I like to do the things they like to do. I play soccer with Zizo. I swim with Lele. I play hide and seek with Sisa. Come, friend, what do you like? Come, play soccer with us. Come, swim with us. Come, play hide and seek with us. Come, read with us.